Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to your online class. This is your Tazim sir and today we are going to learn further exercise. Means already we have started in last session exercise number 9a question number 1 we haven't done. So today we are going to learn question number 2 exercise number 9a but question number 2 we are going to learn. Got my points? I hope you all are remember. Okay, let's check here my dear students what we have done in last session. So we have done in last lecture, what we have done in last lecture? We have done in last lecture types of polygons. Okay, types of the polygons. How many types of the polygons means that? A triangle and quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, my dear students, this both shape we have done. This both type we have done of we have done yesterday. And exercise number 9a, question number 1. What is the question number 1? We have to find the closed simple. Which word? Simple closed curves. In last lecture we find the simple closed curve exercise number 9a question number 1. But my points my dear students, we have done in last lecture types of the polygons, triangle, quadrilaterals, exercise number 9a question number 1 simple closed curve. We have done this all questions. So now we will move on for the session. Today we are going to learn exercise number. Today we are going to learn my dear students exercise number 9a question number 2. What is the question number 2? Means put a tick mark means right tick mark on the simple closed curve. Understood my dear students? That are polygons. What my dear students? That are polygons. Okay, I hope you all are understood my dear students. What is the question number 1? Sorry, 2. Today we are going to learn question number 2. Put a tick marks, write tick marks on the simple closed curve that are the polygons. Got my points my dear students? So you note down this all things, subject, chapter names, exercise and instructions, and then we will move on further my dear students. Okay, what I am telling you my dear students, then we will move on further. So you note down this all things my dear. So I am draw here the all things for you. First shape. We are going to draw a shape. Okay, and you do with me my dear students. Okay, you also draw with all things with me my dear. Then after we will move on further, my dear. It's a which shape, my dear students? It's the star-like shape, but it's not a proper shape. Means we have to find after drawing. So first of all, you have to draw with me, all my dear students. All figure you have to draw with me in your book properly, and you must be use a scale. Okay, without scale you cannot draw it properly. So that's why I am telling you again and again. You must be use the scale. And then after you draw this all things. Okay. Question number C. What is it? Question number C. Then after, my dear students, question number D. So let's check here the question number D all. Understood all? Okay, this shape is like which shape, my dear? Then after the question number E. Is the pentagonal shape, and here is new challenging, means we have to find what polygons. Okay, means only we have to polygons, quadrilaterals or triangle. What we have to find here, we are going to find which quadrilaterals or quadrilaterals or triangles. We are going to find here. Okay. Put my points, my dear students. Put my points now. G. And H. Okay, clear? Understood all, my dear students? So now we note down this all figure properly. Then after we will move on further topic. Okay? So note down this all things, my dear students, in your book properly. With the help of scale, and we have to find the simple closed curves that are the polygons. What we are going to find here, what is the question? First of all, give the question to get tick marks. Yes, on the simple closed curves that are polygons. Means here we are going to find, what, my dear students? Here we are going to find simple closed curves, and that's all are polygons. Good, my points, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further question number 3. But first of all, you note down this, you draw properly. the polygon. So my dear students, you must be use a scale or pencil. Okay? So now here let's check here the oil shape, my dear students. It is a polygon or not. See my dear students, it's a closed shape. We have to first close or open shape. Okay, and then after we will check here that if the polygons or not. Okay, means we have to check the segment. So see my dear students, it's a simple closed curve, but it's not a polygons. Okay, so what my dear students, cross. Now question number B. 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is not a proper segment, proper size. That size we are cancelling. Then here is also closed shape, but not a same way. And here B is also not. And now question number E. See the question number E is the pentagonal shape. Why I am telling a pentagonal? Because of 5 segments, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again I repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And it's a simple and it's a type of the pentagon. Okay, so that's why we are mentioning here E is what? Closed curves, and that are the polygons. And here is also F. See how many rectangle like structure. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides, 4 segments are there. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. It's a closed shape, but it's not a polygons. Not a polygons, no side. And this oval, it's also no. Okay, my dear students, what my points, I hope you all are understood what I am telling you. Okay, in question number B, by mistakes I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also polygons, but as many sides. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Now you note down the answer, and then we will move on further the question number 3. Okay, so now you note down the answer, my dear students, and then we will move on further. So my dear students, here we have done the question number 2. Here what we have done? Here we have done the question number 2. What my point solved, what I am telling you here. So now we have question number A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. We have done. Now we will move on for the question. Question number 3. Question number 2 is what, my dear students? Question number 2, first of all I am writing the question and then we will move on further, my dear. Okay? So I am writing it the question number 3. What is the shape of the book? Shape of the book you are holding. Book dear students, what is the question? What is the shape of the book you are holding in your hand now? Means now in my hand we have a standard 4th maths textbook. So we have to only write the answer. So what should I mention here, my dear students? Is this the square shape? See, this is our book. And which shape we are mentioning here, my dear students? Is the square shape, rectangular shape, cube shape, cone shape. So see, this is which shape we have in our hand, in my hand. And you also check you have a book. If you have a rough book, if you have a textbook, so you check as like that, my dear students. See, the which shape? 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side and 6 side. So how many side of which shape have a 6 side? You remember, you think, and I hope you all are remember. I hope you all are remember, my dear students, which shape you have a what? 6 side. How many side? 6 side. Okay, I know here all my dear students here book. I am drawing here, my dear students, a book. Okay, my dear students, is book shape, the mathematics books, maths. Which book, my dear students? Which book is the maths book? Standard 4. So which shape, my dear students? Cuboid shape. Okay, so we are going to mention here first. Here we are going to mention what, my dear students? Answer. Cuboid. Only we are going to mention, no need to draw this figure because of its just knowledge. So now we note down the question and answer. Okay, shape of the book is which shape? Cuboid shape. Which shape, my dear? Cuboid shape. We are holding a book cuboid shape. Okay, my dear students. So now we will move on further our next question. Question number 4. So question number 4 means we have to trace. What we have to going to trace? Trace the shape of your ruler. Shape of your ruler. I think you have a ruler, means you have a ruler means scale. Okay, is it a polygon? Okay, means if yes, can you name it? Can you name it all? Name it. Okay, if you can, just name it. Okay, means what we have to do, my dear students. So first of all, properly read the question, and then after we are going to solve. So fourth question number 4, trace the shape of your ruler. Means we have to trace. Okay, what is this all, my dear students, in my hand? Scale. Okay, so means shape of your ruler. Means which shape? Is square shape. I think my scale is a square shape. No, it's not a square shape. It's a rectangular shape. See, this line, where is my hand? This hand is here. This opposite side. Both sides are same, and this side are small. These both sides are same, and this up and down side are same. Okay, so it's which shape? It's a polygon. Means what is the definition of polygon? Polygons have a four segments. Quadrilaterals. It's the shape of quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, specific which shape? Rectangular shape. So here I am going to draw a ruler and shape of the ruler. Here I am going to draw the shape of the ruler. Okay, my dear students, here I am going to share. Here I am going to draw. See here, this is a ruler. Okay. See my dear students, ruler. So this side and this side are the same, and this side and this side are also same. It's a polygonal shape. So what we means here, it's a polygonal shape. What our scale shape, our ruler shape is a polygon. So if we say yes, it's a polygonal shape, obviously. So can you name it? Means we have to give a name. Which shape is in front of the ruler? Ruler, now you check your ruler and tell me, my dear students, which shape of your ruler. See here the drawing of the ruler. Can you tell me? Square or rectangle? I will give you option. Not square, no, square or rectangle is both option, but here is proper is what? Rectangle. Okay, it's square, so four sides are same, but here these four sides are not same. Okay, here is only two sides and these two sides are same. So which name we are giving? Rectangle. What, my dear students? Rectangle. First of all, we write the ears and then rectangle. Rectangle shape. Okay, my dear students. But my point, this is your question number 4. Now we move on to question number 5, my dear students. Say a weather statement true or false. Question number 5 is what? Question number 5 is what? First of all, you note down the 3 and 4, then we will move on to question number 5. Means we have to say the true or false. So now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number 5. Question number 5 means we have to say whether true or false. Statement is true or false. Means I am writing only the TF. Okay, means we have to say here. In first question, all square are quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral. Okay, and then after question number B, a triangle is a polygon, a triangle is polygon, and question number C, a polygon is made up of line segments. Then after question number D, all quadrilaterals are quadrilaterals quadrilaterals are polygons rectangle rectangles. We have to mention the answer here, my dear students, okay, with a reason. So now we note down the question and then after with the reason we are going to solve. Okay, so note down is all question, my dear students, and then we will move on further. So now you note down the TF, question number A, B, C or D. Okay, then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay, so now here we are going to learn further means TF with a proper example. What with the proper example? So let's check here, my dear students. All square are quadrilateral. Means all square are quadrilaterals. So means square is what? Square is, see, this is a square. Okay, all square are quadrilateral. So yes, quadrilateral means what? Four sides, and square is also four sides. Okay, so means is the quadrilateral. And polygon means same side, and quadrilateral means quarter means four, quadrilateral means four, and square is also same four side. So yes, it's true. So we mention here true. But my points, my dear students, further the triangle is the polygon. So see here is the triangle. What we have learned on the types of the polygons? Yes, it's triangle. Triangle is the types of the polygon, a part of the polygon. Polygon means what? Same side. See, this is the same segments. 1, 2, and 3. Segments are proper arrangement. So that's why what we have mentioned. Yes, what we have mentioned here, my dear students. Yes. Okay, squares are quadrilateral. All square are quadrilaterals. What my points? All my dear students, all square are quadrilaterals. Okay. So my dear students, one more thing I am telling you here for what? All square are quadrilaterals. Is it correct? Then after triangle is the polygon. So yes, it's true. Triangle is the polygon. A polygon is the made up of the line segment. So polygon means is the polygon. Okay, and then it's a polygon. So polygon is what? A line of the segments we call the polygon. So yes, it's true. Okay. Then after all quadrilaterals are rectangle. Quadrilaterals means what? Means four sides. So it's a four side, but it's shaped as square, not a rectangle. So it's a false, my dear students. All quadrilaterals are not rectangles. Understood? This is your question. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. But my points are, now I will give you homework, and question number 6 and 7 we are going to solve in next session. Exercise number 9A, question number 1 to 5. One time. But my points are, my dear students, and now we are going to, further in next session we are going to learn what? Circle. So you must be bringing up with you scale, pencil or round. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all.